What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you. So next part of the Dusty Zomer Buffalo Wild Wings 2016 sprint car. So apologize again for taking a little extra time here to get this next update up to you guys. Been doing a lot of work in a new position, so haven't had much time at the bench over the last week. Also, weather starting to break, so of course the yard work has to commence and start. So yeah, but got the chance to work at the bench tonight, and so here's where we're sitting. Went ahead and sprayed down a coat of Mr. Base White 1000. It's just kind of to be honest, the actual color coat went down really well. Utilized a little bit of self-leveling thinners just to try to level out the actual surface a little bit, make it as glossy as I can for the decals. So give this a day or so just to make sure that it gases off completely and everything's good with it. At that point, I'll go through and start getting the decals on the top wing. Probably will be also getting starting to look at getting the decals onto the front body panels. So again, similar situation with this. Actually used not only a little bit of lacquer thinner, but also Mr. Color's leveling thinner, which really give a nice gloss coat to this. So I think I'm finally starting to get the best way of doing that. Also the fuel cell, got that all done. I may come back in and actually try to polish this up, as I thought the seam had gone away, but as you can see, let me zoom in here on the bottom. As you can see, the seam decided to come back, and you can kind of see it. So, yep, it decided to come back. So, probably will actually rework the fuel cell just to make sure that it's as seamless of a joint as I can. Even on the top, it decided to come back. If I can get that to focus. Try to focus in there. So yeah, just a little extra work there, just to make sure things are good. So, moving back out, though, to just the overall. Got the chassis pretty much done. Have that. Used Tamiya X1 with the Mr. Color. Actually, I apologize, with just plain lacquer thinners. And actually, I'll show you guys. This is the lacquer thinners that I use. So, from local Do It Best here in the States, but just a generic lacquer thinner, and really thinned it down nicely. So, got a good gloss coat to that. So, just letting that sit again, make sure that it's fully dry. To be honest, I sprayed that tonight, and it's already dry to the touch. The wheels, I got those. I actually had to spray these a few times, because originally I went with my kind of original method of using Tamiya X24 yellow to give that gold appearance. To be honest, I really didn't like how it looked. The gold did not look true to color and to what the decals were and things like that. So went ahead and tried another mix, which if you were looking for a really good gold color, for just kind of more of a reddish gold, about 1 mil of X24 to a half a mil of X26, which is clear orange. That gives a really, really nice gold tint to it. So if you're ever wanting to do chrome into gold, that's actually about the best mix that I've come up with so far. So went ahead, throw that down, looked at the references, also pulled out the gold film decal sheet. Didn't like how it looked, so came back in with a really thin, like 1 mil of thinner to like 1/4 mil of this, which is the blue gold from Mr. Metallic. Overcoated it, and then that really did the trick. So went ahead and also tried something new with this as well, which was clearing it with Mr. Color 100 Super Clear 3. So using the leveling thinners on that, so those have been cleared, thin, or cleared and everything. Same with these here, so nice sheen for the backing plates for the wheels. So yeah, like I said, probably last thing that I did get paint on tonight was the engine block. Got that all assembled about a week ago, and then yeah, got that painted in AK Extreme Metals steel. So that is ready to go at this point. Just gonna again give a day to dry, and then we'll be moving on from there. So yeah, really pushing along nicely tonight. Got about as much done as I actually wanted to, which is awesome. Hoping again to get some more build time here, but again with the weather breaking, I'll just kind of have to see how it goes from there. And actually, so use this as kind of a test piece. So the kind of matte colors here, that is the super cleared, or the super thinned blue gold. However, if you notice right through here, it gets super shiny. That is, again, 1 mil yellow to 1/2 mil X26. So again, that gives you an idea. Again, if you ever wanted to make a chrome tree, and pull this off, you can see literally was just a chrome tree. So if you ever want to make your chrome trees gold, that's how you do it. So yeah, awesome. Well, definitely post any comments, questions, things like that down below. Definitely try to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, should be, like I said, coming out with the next part here within the next week or so. So again, questions, comments, post it down below. If you know anybody who'd like this content, definitely feel free to send them over. Just hit the 600 subscriber mark. So I'd like to trying to keep the channel growing, if at all possible. Again, just thank you for everybody coming on board so far, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.